In this video, I'll share with you a quick and easy way to incorporate gratitude into your day. It's an idea from well-respected and prolific researcher and author, Daniel Pink. Teachers love practical, fun, and easy to implement strategies that effectively support student learning. And when you incorporate teacher and student wellbeing, you're doing just that. My name is Mari Amaro, and I'm the Principal Presenter at The Highly Effective Teacher. I'm a teacher, and I've been working with students and supporting teachers for over 30 years. I'm passionate about teacher wellbeing, and I combine research and experience to provide strategies that improve teacher wellbeing, especially practices that take no extra teacher time, that can actually give you back time by working more effectively. I love coaching teachers so they thrive in the teaching profession, not just survive. Improved teacher wellbeing means improved student wellbeing, and that contributes to better academic and social outcomes for all our students. If you'd like to learn more about teacher wellbeing, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so that you receive notifications of all our videos. And when you subscribe, that helps to support the channel. It means that we can keep making these videos and get the information and support out to more teachers. I just listened to one of my favourite podcasts by Dan Pink, an author and researcher whose work I greatly respect. He was talking about how to incorporate gratitude into our day in an easy and effective way. We all know that practicing gratitude makes us feel better, lifts us up, and gives us the boost we need to keep giving our best. And it's especially important for teachers during this COVID time. It's a simple practice, but not so easy to do when times are difficult, when you're navigating the increasing demands on teachers at this time, and when you may feel tired and rushed. And this is exactly the time when you need gratitude the most, and including the practice into your teaching day will benefit both you and your students. This is also a simple tip that you can use with your students. Everything we do at the Highly Effective Teacher is about improving teacher wellbeing so that student wellbeing is enhanced. And if you can use the same strategies with your students, so much the better. Because we know that when you teach a concept or a skill, it's more likely that you will adopt that skill yourself. As William Glasser stated, we learn and retain about 20% of what we hear and about 95% of what we teach. So back to Dan Pink's idea for developing a consistent gratitude practice. He uses one of the tenets of initiating and embedding habits, which is to link a new habit to an old habit. And this is an effective way to give yourself the best chance of a practice becoming a habit that sticks. His idea is to link gratitude to hand washing, because now that we're required to wash our hands for at least 20 seconds, and I think that's something we probably should have been doing all our lives, there is time to add a fun activity, like thinking of all the wonderful places, people, and things for which we feel grateful. So while I simulate washing my hands here for 20 seconds, I can think of and even say, I'm grateful for my wonderful, supportive children. I'm grateful for my gorgeous grandchildren who bring me so much joy. I'm grateful for my amazing colleagues who value what I bring to the team. I'm grateful for the people I love being safe and well. And I'm grateful that I live in a country that has kept us safe in this really difficult time. There are so many things in life for which to be grateful. And if you're interested in learning more ways that you can incorporate gratitude into your classroom, check out our videos on gratitude practices in the classroom that take no extra time and benefit both you and your students. And for the rationale behind gratitude and why it's so important, check out our video on the why of gratitude. It may sound a bit woo-woo to some people to talk about gratitude, but there's plenty of research on the benefits of gratitude and how it can enhance not only your well-being, but also motivation and productivity. And some of the rationale in that video you can use for your programming and planning. Happy to help. Thanks for watching. I'm grateful to you. Stay safe and happy teaching.